If you are new to my channel, my name is Tiffany. If you are a loyal subscriber, hey girl, hey. I look like my daddy right now. Like the nose is giving my daddy. But yeah, so welcome to the vlog. Before I came on, I showed you guys, first of all, wait. So in the first vlog, if you haven't seen the first vlog to my vlogging, I said that I would be doing a full month of vlogging, but that video was so long. That was like an hour long. So I've decided, you know what? Don't put any limits on it. Don't put any time frame on anything, Tiffany. Just vlog, okay? So I'm learning to not limit myself, not restrict myself to times, and not have like a control thing going on, like not be so controlled. I want to be free in what I love to do. So yeah, this is still March. It is March 25th right now, but I did show you guys some footage of I'm happy, y'all. I am so happy right now. But I don't want to get sidetracked because I'll go into it, honey. But yeah, so welcome to a new vlog of a flight attendant life. Right now I am here in Houston. I am here in Texas, and let me just say, y'all, I love Texas. So let's jump right into it. We got our schedules. So I am Atlanta based, and we get our schedules the 19th of every month at about 2 p.m. So is it 12 or 2? One of those times. But I got my schedule. I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown of what April. So we get our schedule a month in advance. So I go into my micro app. That is our schedule app. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if you guys can see it. But March is pretty busy, in my April. Okay, you should be able to see it now. My April, all the light blue down here is my vacation days. And then this is my dark blue, my schedule. My A days, which are my adventure days, are also gonna be light blue because there's nothing there yet. So at the end of this month, next Tuesday, the 28th through the 30th, I have A days. I have A day 3. So it's 3 days where Delta gets to use me and get to give me anything that they want, depending on the operational needs. So I'm gonna be doing that. But after this trip, when I get back Sunday, that morning, Tuesday, I actually have court, because if you watched the last vlog, you know that I got into a car accident. So I have to go to court for that. So I'm gonna have to move my A days further back if possible. I don't want them to drop my A days because your girl needs to work. So I just want them to move it to the 29th through the 31st. So I'll just have 1 day off, and then I'll have another trip following that. But let me give you a rundown of April's schedule. So April 1st is a Saturday of 2023. So my first trip is a 3-day. It's a layover in Nashville and Dallas-Fort Worth. Your girl is back in Texas. I work again on another 3-day, April 7th through the 9th. And I'll be in White Plains. I think that's New York. And I'll be in Dallas, Texas again. Right after that, I go to Paris. So that will be, for sure, that vlog will be in the next vlog after this one, for sure. And I'll probably end that one. And then I have a lean over, which I am flying A. I will be the A line for that one. I have not been, A line is like flight leader. I haven't been flight leader a lot. This will be my only second time flying flight leader, but I'm trying to, you know, promote myself a little bit and give myself a little stretch. Yeah, just give myself a little stretch there and do a little bit more. In the previous clips, we had a work event. It's called Lift. So when you finish your year of flying, they have this huge celebration where you lift off into your journey of being a flight attendant, and it was so fun. Of course, as you saw my girls in the 360 video. Hey girl, if you're watching this, Daddy, Kenyatta, shout out to my girls. And I also saw my other boo, Amber. Hey girl, if you ever watched this. And we just had a good time. We had a good time. One thing about my company, they know how to throw a party, okay? So I really enjoyed myself, and I'm just so appreciative to be working with such a great company and that celebrates you and your growth and your journey, because I'm all about that for myself. I love to celebrate myself and the fact that a company puts dollars together, and to celebrate you and take the time out to acknowledge you and always check up on you and seeing your mentors and your leaders and, you know, being in communication with your FSMs, your field service managers. That's what an FSM is. But I'm going to pair, okay, back to what I was saying because I get sidetracked. I love my company, period. This is literally the best job I've ever had in my life. I've always, I'm just excited. So I'm going to Paris, April 10th through the 12th. After that, I'll be a flight leader. After that, I will have a 30-hour in San Juan. Y'all, we are coming back to back. Okay, we are lining trips up, and so what I'm doing is picking up trips on the swap board. So if you're wondering, like, this girl works a lot, she's not off, honey. The reason why I got this job is to serve people and get paid traveling the world, okay? And that is what your girl is doing. Inside this job, I have met so many beautiful people inside and out. I'm building new friendships. And just aligning myself with people that enjoy my same interest, that has, you know, that are living like purpose-filled lives. And also in that, I find myself ministering to other women, like being a light, allowing God to use me and encourage and inspire women and how to navigate certain circumstances. We call it the jump seat juice. Every time I sit on that jump seat, that's ministry. Every time I'm on that aircraft, you never know who you're gonna meet. You never know who you're sitting next to on your dead head. You never know who you're serving with drinks and snacks and just giving them words of encouragement. You never know who's going to a funeral. You never know who's applying for that big job. You never know who got evicted or a death in the family, on their way to get married. People are living lives, and the fact that I am in a position to be a light to anybody I encounter in the hundreds and thousands of people that I meet every month is just a blessing. And I just can't be any more thankful. So I will be in San Juan, Puerto Rico, baby. That is what I'll be doing on the 15th through the 17th. Y'all, I am so excited. This month is, April is lit. March, as you can see, it's been lit. I went to Bogota, Ecuador, had a company event. I also have therapy in April, so I'll be talking to you guys about that. I got in an accident. I did in the earlier clip show you guys me working out, but I did notice like my body is just giving me signs to rest, and I work out with weights, so I think I'm doing a lot of like heavy lifting, you know, and it could be because of the accident, or it could be because of the turbulence that's been on the plane from the seatbelt harness. It could just be numerous of things, but I haven't been feeling, I'm trying to listen to my body. I'm learning to listen to my body, and it's not like pain, but it is like a slight soreness. And so I'm not going to be working out for the rest of this month. Hopefully, you know, I get enough rest and I can start back up in April because your girl likes to work out. But I'm gonna slow it down. I'm gonna just be doing cardio. I'm not gonna be doing any heavy lifting. So just some cardio, just some body movement workouts, and yeah. But I'm gonna do enough rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and start my makeup and let's get into the day. What we have on the plan today, we are in Houston, and you know when you come to Houston, you gotta go to the turkey leg hut. So this restaurant is very popular, it's very famous. I'm probably gonna put somewhere in this screen here over here, I'm gonna put their Instagram up. But yeah, I really was excited about getting this layover simply because it's in Texas and turkey leg hut. Like, your girl likes to eat and I am fasting, but when it comes to a crew, you know, again, I don't restrict myself. I want to enjoy life and I want to enjoy food. So no fruits and vegetables today. We will be eating from turkey leg hut, and then tomorrow we'll pick back up. But I have a really good crew, 2 beautiful, precious girls, and one of the girls said she'll go out with me. So we did have to book a $25 deposit per person. And I'm gonna go to, of course, when I finish my makeup, I gotta get my Instagram pictures. So I'm gonna get my Instagram pictures and then we're gonna head out. So I'm gonna do my makeup and come along with me. So I'm gonna montage on out from here.
Is it true? You actually think of me as less than you. Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no. But like, really though, how do you know that I can overcome all of the obstacles? She just looked me in the eye, said it's gonna be alright, 'cause I know that's how it goes. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever, forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn to trust whenever, whenever. As blue as the sky above you, it's true.
Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm wearing. A little fashionable jumpsuit. Yes, honey. I don't know if y'all can. I don't know if y'all can see my shoes, but I'm gonna throw on this leather jacket. It's giving biker girl. It's a little crop. I seen this outfit inspo on Instagram and it was so cute. And I was like, I just gotta take a pic. I don't want too much of the bitties out. So we wanted to show a little bit, but not too much. You know, we don't wanna give them too much because it's already given. Okay. So already got this going. And then I'm gonna have my purse. My black and gold purse. Right here. Let me see. Ooh, don't want no widgets. Okay. too much. It's good. Then my purse. This purse is so long, y'all. I don't know if I can. Let me see. Okay, girl, yes. See, easy fix. Okay, there we go. Yes. Okay, that's cute. And then let me get my glasses. Let me get my glasses on. Okay, let me clean my glasses, y'all. Clean my glasses. I got these glasses from Shein, y'all, and they are my fave. Okay. So let's go. Oh, I gotta show y'all my shoes. Y'all see my shoes? Cute. These are so cute. So we are ready to go. Let's go take pictures and head out.
And the seafood gumbo, turkey leg, seafood gumbo stuffed turkey leg.
The seafood gumbo turkey leg, gumbo crackers, 3 pounds first. The recipe right after the
Okay, thank you. She is nice. And look, okay, y'all, so we are, look, we at the Raleigh airport, y'all. This is serious life of flight attendant. We got in our shuttle and we thought we were coming to, we were leaving Houston to Atlanta. We at IAH and not Houston Hobby. We're supposed to be at Houston Hobby. They shut down 2 airports. This, Lord Jesus. Okay, so flight leader is on the phone with transportation because we need somebody to take us to the right airport. Good thing is our flight is delayed an hour, so we'll be making it right on time. But I looked at the time from here to there, it's 35 minutes. So we might be late. Check back in with y'all when we get on the aircraft. Hey y'all, so today is March 29th. I am here in Portland, Oregon, staying at a hotel about 30 minutes away from the airport. I am all, I don't know if you guys can see, I am all dressed up. I'm not going to work out, but we are going to hike a trail. There is a beautiful waterfall. I believe it's called Montana Waterfall. But one of the girls, she was really excited for this layover. So of course your girl was like, I want to go. So one of the pilots knew someone that lived here and they offered to take us around, take us to the waterfall and get lunch. So I did want to show you guys that we're going into April, so that's gonna start a whole new vlog. But I wanted to end this vlog with something beautiful, and yeah, so I'm gonna take you along today and show you guys this. They said it's breathtaking, y'all. They said it's breathtaking, so let's go.
Might have to break it up.
Everybody say hello. Doesn't it smell good? Yes. So this is the restaurant, the log. I don't know if we'll be eating here, but it smells so good. Yeah, they have hot chocolate. If you want a hot chocolate? Okay. I know, I'm like, did we get the right one? Oh, that's what it was. And I was like, oh, it was like, are those sweet potato fries?